Come on, Eduardo. Show me what you got, boy. Show me what you got. I see you. There you go. Stretch them out. Stretch them out. Come on, big boy. Come on, Sallie. Get up. Slacker. Lots of food out here. Come and get it. Eduardo is making the whirring sound. The whir cackle. Sallie's just laying there. I don't think she's even started to stretch out yet. I guess I want to zoom in briefly so the world can see what at least Eduardo's up to. He's just standing there underneath the light. This time we'll make it so you can see the whole flight. He may look small, but we'll be able to see his little butt in the air. I don't see Dave. He's probably waiting for me to come and pick him up. That ain't gonna happen. Come on. Yeah, Sallie's up. Zoom in on her, see if we can see her. Yeah, we can see her to the right of Eduardo. Looks like she's already getting ready to launch. Here she comes. Here comes Sallie. All the way, Sallie. All the way. All the way. All the way. Beautiful girl. Good girl. Good girl. That's Sallie. She made the distance she just covered is about 125 feet, and I think you can see the whole thing. Okay, Eduardo's getting ready to come next, I think. Come on, boy. Show me what you got. They normally take off much closer together in time than this. Get down there and show him there's eats. Come on, boy. Show me what you got. Come on. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. And he's doing it easy. He's slow. He's just putting through the air like a little butterfly. Ha, ha, ha. Good boy. Good girl. That